Mother, father, sister, brother. That's my family. It's 3 of us. Got Renee, we got Andre, and me. I'm so family oriented. That's why I wrote this song. For you, and you too. So many memories I wanna share, so listen please. If I have to break it down many times, I'll do that for you, so you can go and tell the world there's nothing like your family, to be there whenever you need, unconditionally. Early Sunday morning, Grandma's in the kitchen cooking breakfast. It's on. Sunny day, we're on our way to get to church on time. Better hurry, hurry, come on. Praise and clap and jump and shout as you give yourself to the Lord. I sing because I'm happy. There's nothing like your family, to be there whenever you need. Whoa. And the rain, hey, through the hurt and through the pain, you got family. Yeah, that's what I got, and I got a lot of. Yeah. Times we had, we celebrate with our family. Sitting home alone, waiting by the telephone. Your baby's off and gone to serve his country, but he's only 18. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the telephone rings, and the voice on the other end says, I'll be home soon tomorrow. Praise and clap and jump and shout as you give yourself to the Lord. I sing because I'm happy. When the unexpected happens and everything you own is gone from a natural disaster, you got family. Please pray for me. Oh, when the unexpected happens and everything you own is gone from a natural disaster, you got family. storm and the rain. Don't let it get you down, 'cause your family will always be around. Ooh.